Hello, today in our
Bob.
show, stop saying you're Bob.
I'm Bob.
Okay, in our show today,
Louise.
Bob gets repair mitts from the repair mitt store.
I can't fly.
As you notice, since Bob has been saying it, he has no wings.
He's Bob.
Because we ripped it off. Now we're going to go to the repair mitt store to check it out.
Smell my foot.
Get away from me. We're going to the repair mitt store. To the repair mitt store.
My foot. Smell my foot. Oh, yeah. That was mean.
Smell my foot.
He's pushed me. William, shut up. Hey.
Okay, we're going to the repair mitt store now. Bob, get up. Bob, get up. Smell my foot then. Ow! Okay, let's go, Bob. We're going to get you some repair mitts.
I'm Kyle.
Okay, you're Kyle. Come on, Kyle.
I'm Bob.
Okay, Bob.
I'm Kyle.
Okay, whatever.
I'm me. I am me.
Like I said last time, he is Lego. Okay, this is the repair mitt guy.
Yay.
Hi, I'm the repair mitt guy. What's up, yo?
Hello,
Hi.
you evil red.
Oh.
Just make it as long as possible.
I'm the repair mitt guy. Hi, yeah, I'm gonna get Bob.
Looks like he needs repair.
Hey, how dare you? Die! Die!
Ow.
I still move.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Do you want repair mitts or not, dude? Yes, you would love
What
some
are
repair mitts.
Wait, what?
You don't know repair mitts? Yes, apparently he is very young. But
I was dropped on my head.
but let's give him some repair mitts. Okay, Bob, I just got some new matched repair mitts in today. Let me go and get them.
You mean these? How can I grab this if I have no arm?
Yeah.
Oh, it fell.
Okay, let me go and get them.
Ow!
Oh, let me get them.
Oh, this.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, ow.
I got them. Here's a super awesome gun and a
You're just looking at the floor.
super awesome slicer. And ooh, I never knew that would happen. Okay, let's go and get it set.
Ooh,
Okay, Bob,
Chloe.
I'm gonna connect this on to
Chloe.
Let me just try to form a special place where we can see you. There's Bob. We're about to put him on repair mitts. Bob!
Oops, wrong arm.
Jeez, Bob, you're such a baby. Hurry up and get them on.
I am not a baby. Try to with your head again.
Stop cutting off my head.
It's too fun. I can't help it.
Dang it, you, Bob.
Darn you, you mean? I may be a dunce and slightly disabled, but I can learn.
Okay. Come on, Bob.
Hey, look, a bird.
A bird? Where? What? Okay, Bob, that's it. I'm mad. Let's go back to home. Ready? Woohoo!
I'm staying with the old man, John. I'm not John. You are me.
Well, we'll see you next time when you see Bob and Bob Show.
We're not over. I'll kick his butt.
Bob and Bob Show is now over.
No.
See you next week. See you next time. Bye.